look at the GPS. Like, you're near the water. I think we'll just stop here. Looks like I have 2 dogs. Go get her. Not interested. She just wants to dig. So this is the Breakers Hotel we're staying in. They're actually condominiums that are owned by people, and they rent them out. So look at that, hardwood floors, nice TV, nice cabinets, nice living room area, hallway, closets, ding ding. Well, there's the light. We have a hallway, kind of small bathroom, but still a bathroom. And then we have a bedroom. Oh, it's a mess. There we go, and we're walking to the gas station because I forgot to bring milk. Because my daughter wants to make, what do you want to make?
Muffins.
Muffins. There's a nice playground right there. Swing set. Everything is pretty new. There's a fire pit. There's grills over there, like 7 of them. Pretty nice place. We tend to come here almost every year for our anniversary.
Hello.
She's definitely not scared of the water. We're getting close, my friends. We're getting close. Here we go. Oh, that's my good girl. You are wet. You playing in the salt water? Oh my goodness. Good job, Maka. We're getting close. Simply breathtaking. Do what I did. That is cool as shit. It's gonna attack us. Look. That's weird that she would come towards the sound.
Oh, I'm scared. That's so cute. Look at Andy.
Good job. Say hi, Cameron. Hi, Cameron. Hi, Cameron. Traditionally, every day after our anniversary, we always let the kids ride the go-karts. This is the first time that both of them are tall enough to be by themselves. And they have taken the lead. She is a chip off the old block. Not bragging, but I never lose this. And there's the world famous, well, in Washington, Jake, the alligator man. Half man, half alligator, found in the Florida swamp. As told in the Weekly World News. You will see people in Washington with a bumper sticker with Jake on it. So if you ever see a Jake the Alligator Man sticker, you know the person originally was from Washington, probably. Bye, Jake. Love you, bro. Hang in there. Oh, you got one flavor for everything? Cool. Another tradition. Get the pucker powder. And if you've never been here, the Myers store, I mean the, what's the place called again? Oh, Marsh's Free Museum. They have all sorts of crazy knickknacks for sale. And animals all up on the wall. And these old 5-cent arcade games. Saber-tooth tigers.
Feel better?